Hello guys, today we're going to do a fridge organization. So I start with cleaning my fridge, and then I start arranging, like up there I've started with my milk, and then I put down our beer our beer, not my beer, our beer. And then we have some go fruits over there, and then I'll have our other milk over there. Uchumi ya Kenya sahi, it's not giving. Then we have our yogurt there. You people, you know what yogurt does to girls. You know why we take yogurt. Then we have our fruits over there. We only have apple cores. Why we couldn't afford other fruits? Then we have our blue band there. Now we have our sodas. Hey, Coca-Cola. You see how I promoted you guys? I have 5 different flavors of soda. Guys, mkuje mtembelee, by the way, I'll tell you my location. Anyway, because of your soda, hey, abana msikuje. Well, to me is not uchumi. Then we have our bread there for breakfast, of course. Then we have our leftovers. Apo kidogo juwe, uweze kula kimaliza na hii uchumi. Utakula tu kidogo. Okay, there for breakfast, of course. Hapo chini nilikuwa nimeshaeka sukuma, carrot na nyanya. Then have our freezer there. Tuko na kanyama kadogo hapo, maybe matumbo na nini. Yani vitu tu za kutusukuma kiwiki hivi, kawiki. Then have our smokies over there. Aki si mingi guys, si mingi, ni only Anyway guys, thank you for watching. That is the final look. Tell me what you think about it. Hapo chini ni sukuma, carrots na nyanya, nothing much actually. Because the uchumi is not uchumi, you can't buy more. Anyway guys, that is the final look. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Guys. And then please guys, just like my videos. Guys, please just like this. That's a fridge for a common mwananchi guys. Please show some love.